Hello Dairy Today viewers. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stewart Peterson, I'm Bob Davenport and this is your Dairy Week in Review for November 1st, 2013. So taking a look at our CME dairy components at the conclusion of Friday's trade, blocks settled up the week at 190 1/4, up 2 3/4 cents. Barrels settled the week at 187 even, up 5 cents. Cash butter finished the week at 153 1/4, up 5 3/4 cents. November whey finished the week at 57 even, down 1 cent on the week. And November non-fat dry milk settled at 187 1/2, up 1/2 cent. So going on over to our weekly block barrel average chart here, as you can see, the block barrel average finished up its 5th up week in a row at Friday's close. We continued to see some aggressive buying interest in blocks this week. Not so much in the barrels, but still, we did see some nice gains in the barrels this week as well. During today's session, the block settled at 190 1/4, up 1 1/4 cents, with 5 loads trading hands. In the barrels, we saw some buying interest there, but no sellers willing to step in on the other side. Barrels finished out today at 187 even, up 2 cents, with no loads trading hands. So taking a look at our weekly block barrel average chart here, again, we did post that 3 7/8 cents gains on the week here, and as you can see, we have worked above this prior high that we've been below for quite some time now. Now that does reopen our upside for a shot at working towards that $2 a pound level. So going on over to Class 3 futures, the October contract came off the board this week and settled at 18.22, so that now makes the December contract our most active second month contract. So as you can see on the weekly second month milk chart here, we also finished up our 5th up week in a row on the second month chart. Now this is also week number 10 since we put in that short-term low back in mid-August. The December contract again finished the week up 33 cents, however settled the day today at 18.27, down 6 cents, and that December contract finished nearly 20 cents off the day's high. Whey prices have largely been trading within this very tight range here for just about a year. Now with the whey prices that were released this week shows that we actually fell below the bottom of that range for the first time in over a year. Now that could be a signal that whey prices are getting ready to break out of the bottom end of this range. However, we could very easily just pop right back up into that range and continue trading within that sideways fashion. Just as a rule of thumb here, about every penny move in the whey price equals about a 6-cent move in Class 3 futures. So a breakout to the downside in the sideways trading whey could have a big impact on Class 3 futures overall. Weekly dairy cow slaughter numbers came in at 60,600 head for the latest week reported. Now that's down just 200 head from the week prior. However, year-to-date slaughter numbers are currently tracking only about 2.2% above where we were at year-to-date last year. Now as you can see here, this is the second week in a row again now that numbers have fallen back below 2012 numbers. Taking a look at global dairy prices, Oceania cheddar prices did come down over the latest 2-week reporting period. The Oceania cheddar price dropped 2 cents and currently is trading at the equivalent of $2 a pound. That puts CME cheddar at about a 13-cent discount to Oceania. Now the average discount that CME cheddar is priced at to Oceania is generally around that 16-cent range. So we've seen Oceania come up quite a bit here to narrow that spread, as we're also seeing CME cheddar increase as well. Taking a look at the week ahead here, we will have our milk production report actually out later this afternoon. That report is a delayed report from a few weeks ago due to the government shutdown. And then next week, we'll see our November USDA supply and demand report. That's due out on Friday, November 8th. That'll do it for us here today. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stewart Peterson, thanks for watching and have a great weekend.